You don't need any glue. Look at it. No glue needed. See, glueless wig. Pop it on and you're good to go. I didn't cut the frontal lace. I didn't cut anything. Nothing to cut. Where is the lace there? Everything has just blended with my skin. So nothing to do. No cutting because it has been pre-cut. No glue because it is glueless. And it's the bob for me. The shortness for me. Look at that. Welcome back again to the channel, Lovelies. It's me again, Momandprettyimisi, and I also want to say a very big thank you for your continued support on this channel. So in today's video, I have a quick install I'm going to be showing you. I have an occasion coming up and I thought of something amazing to wear for that occasion. So with me today, I'm going to be reviewing LuvMe hair. So this is the hair I'm going to be installing today, and you all are going to be unboxing it with me. So fresh out of the box. It's the color for me. This is cute. So the hair I'm holding here is Ready Go Blonde Highlight Natural Black Water Wave Short Curly Bob Wig Glueless Minimalist HD Lace Wig Pre-cut. The name is kind of long, but the full gist is it has been pre-cut and pre-bleached for you, and it is glueless wig. So what do I love about this hair? I love the fact that it is short and bobby. It's like a bob wig, and it is also easy to wear. It is a minimalist. You just pop it on and you're good to go. The cap is breathable and also a fitted band. I'm just gonna put on this wig without even applying anything, and let's see how that goes. Very easy. Look at that. Honestly, you don't need any glue. It is glueless, completely glueless, no glue at all. So I'm just gonna pop it on and that's it. I'm good to go. Easy breezy. So I wanted something very easy for this occasion that I'm preparing for. So this is it. This is it. Look at the lace right there. Where is the lace? And you can turn it however you want it. Look at that one. Look at this. Is the C pattern for me. Look at that. You literally have nothing serious to do with this hair. I'm going to be applying lace tint mousse. This is the easiest hair install ever. Very quick. No stress at all. Look at that. Look at that. You don't need any glue. Look at it. No glue needed. See, glueless wig. Pop it on and you're good to go. You actually do not need anything serious with this hair. Lovelies. And with that lace tint mousse, it just blended. Look at that. I didn't cut the frontal lace. I didn't cut anything. Nothing to cut. Where is the lace there? Everything has just blended with my skin. So nothing to do. No cutting because it has been pre-cut. No glue because it is glueless. And it's the bob for me. The shortness for me. Look at that. You tell me what you think. It's so cute. Everything just blended. Like no glue, no nothing. Glueless wig install. The fastest hair install I have done ever. This is it. This is it. So nothing to add, nothing to cream. It's glossy on its own. Nothing to mousse because it's just coily. No mousse, no oil, nothing, and it's just giving life. Look at that. Not gonna add anything, nothing. Just pop it on and I'm good. Nothing added, nothing. No mousse, no oil, no cream, no conditioner, nothing. And it is that glossy. Look at the hair. I did not add anything. It's just pop it on and go. It is ready, go. It has been made for that fashion. So look at that. Now I'm gonna show you how I dressed up for my occasion. So I love this hair. It is giving life. It is giving beauty. I love it. All right, lovelies, I got dressed and this is how I look. Beautiful, honestly. The link to this hair is going to be on the video description, so go ahead and grab that link and navigate LuvMe website. Big shout out to LuvMe for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.